Right, I've got the brakes right off. I'm in the process of cleaning them all up and then servicing them all. They all look pretty good, to be honest, just a bit of surface rust. The back plates want a good scrub off, and I'm going to be repainting those before I put the brakes back on. So coming around the other side, I've got the same here. I've got the brakes all off. I've drained all the brake fluid out. I need to get some more. I've run out of my brake fluid I got. I'm going to be taking off the inner pipes. The pipes that run on the inside there. Moving on. So I'll do a bit when I've done the inside. Well, actually, I'm getting underneath. This one, just here. Got to change those next. Right, this is the rear offside caliper I've got off. It's the first one. I haven't attacked the other one yet. I'm going to clean it up thoroughly. I've freed up the handbrake assembly, the spring down here, taken all this off and freed it up, put it all back on again. So I might paint it, I might not. I haven't really decided. I don't normally paint them because they only go rusty and it flakes off after a short while. But anyway, going back to this, it's perfectly good, and I'm going to be putting that back on because it works fine. Okay. Today I'm going to be reassembling the rear brakes. As you can see, I've got all the parts down on the floor here ready to go. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Well, that's one side done. That's good. So after I've had a bit of lunch, I'm going to crack on my other side. Right, I've got to refit the ABS sensor. Before I do that though, I've got to put some copper slip around it so it will be freed up. Well, the next time it's going to be taken out. Now, I have seen the crack on the plastic. The thing is that these are very expensive. They're 120 quid each, and I've got a crack in the one on the other side. I'll put them back in because I've got a fault with the ABS. The lights stays on, and I need to get to the bottom of it and find out what's wrong before I rush out and buy new sensors. I'm just going to get this bolt in and get it nipped up so then I can get on with fitting the brakes. I got this tight. I don't know, can't get it tight. I don't want to do it too tight, I'm going to do it tight enough. That's it, let's go. That's that. Right, next. Put this spring washer back on, just to hold the disc in place whilst you're building it up. That's it. Okay. Good. Right, next I've got this bracket going in here, and I've got some Loctite on the bolts ready. Okay, so I've done this. I shall put the caliper on. Okay, I'm going to put these brake pads. I'm going to put it nice and snug on there. I don't personally grease them. Just make sure you check them regularly and they don't raise them up if you need to, but I prefer to just clean them. So it's just that empty rattle tape just falling out. I just got to get these bolts, which I've already got some not tight on. There we go. This one. I got my torque brake set at £25 and should be what I read it should be. $15 I believe. Or tighten it. Okay, just do that. Good. Right, next, got this brake pipe. So first of all, we're going to put a washer on this end. We'll take that in through there. Second washer, and then the nut underneath there. And get it on. That's it. Just put this nut on. Looking good. Okay. Just going to tighten that up. Hold it with a 13 and a 17 spare underneath. That's it. You don't over tighten it. That's it. Okay, I'm going to get this brake pipe lined up. Not quite lined up yet. I did have to bend it to get it off a little bit. So. Not got it yet. Right, I do need to change these brake pipes at some time in the very near future, as we're using stainless steel ones as recommended to me, with obviously copper pipe, and I never need changing them again then, because it outlasts the car. So, looking good. Right. One more little twist. And let's start the turn at the top. Yes. The top one. That's it. Got it. Right. In this video, I've removed the rear brake calipers. I've checked them out. The pistons aren't leaking. The seals are very good. I've also freed up the handbrake mechanism on the caliper. One of them was sticking quite badly, so that's all sorted. I've refitted the calipers, and I've checked the handbrake and adjusted it. That seems to be working fine now. I've put new rear brake hoses. There's inner ones and outer ones. I've replaced both of those. I've also bled the brakes and put all new brake fluid in, and the foot brake seems to be working fine. That's brilliant. Moving on, so I'd just like to thank everybody that's viewing this video right now. That's really good. So if you want to subscribe to this video, if you click on the dirty old car, 16 years of grime and muck down there, please do so. Very appreciate that. Subscribers, 80% of people don't subscribe, so people that do, I really appreciate it. On this side is going to be the previous video that I made, which has got a very good. Okay, so thanks for watching, and bye for now.